Good morning children, welcome back to GK class. Today we are going to discuss about culture of India part 2. In the last class we had discussed about Andhra Pradesh as a culture of India. We just look upon Andhra Pradesh in the last class. Now we will see next one, Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, if you see, the capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Okay, the official language of Arunachal Pradesh is English. Then the state animal is Mithun. Okay, the state animal of Arunachal Pradesh is Mithun. Then state bird is great hornbill. Okay, the state bird of Arunachal Pradesh is great hornbill. Why I am giving this state animal and state bird is, the examiner will ask food, culture, habitat, language of different regions in India. That's why we have to know every state food item, every state culture. That means if any dances, if any music, art, architecture. Okay, then habitat means what are the animals prevailing in that state. Okay, in this way food, culture, habitat, then language. Okay, art and culture of different regions in India we have to know. That's why the state animal of Arunachal Pradesh is Mithun. The state bird is great hornbill. Mithun is one of the animal. Okay, as here not available, you please Google the Mithun and you please see that animal. Okay, then you will get clear idea. Then great hornbill. Then state flower is Retusa. It is a red colored flower. It's very beautiful and it will hang on the tree. Okay, then state tree is Hollong. Okay, this and all you have to see in Google. Okay, for clear understanding. Then dress, if you see the dressing style of Arunachal Pradesh people, women are normal with the traditional saris and ornaments. That's why that's not important, it's not coming for examinations. But see this headgear, the men's are wearing the special headgear. Okay, that's why maybe it may be important, which is very different from others. Headgear. Okay, they are wearing to head something different. Then coming to food, tentuk, very important food item of Arunachal Pradesh is tentuk. In the last time also they asked food items. Okay, food item, they may be asked the food item of different states. What is the famous food item in Arunachal Pradesh? Okay, tentuk. Okay, then coming to agriculture, these Arunachal Pradesh people, they are doing floriculture. That means cultivation of flowers, mainly orchids and lilies. These are the names of the flowers. These flowers are most prevalently cultivated by Arunachal Pradesh people as a floriculture. Horticulture means both vegetables and flowers. They are cultivating vegetables and flowers. Then bamboo crafts. Okay, they are growing bamboo trees also. With that bamboo they are doing crafts. Okay, some toys and different ornaments with bamboo sticks. That's why bamboo crafts is famous in Arunachal Pradesh. Then coming to festivals, Pangsau Pass. This is a winter festival. Okay, name is different, keep it in mind. Pangsau Pass. Pangsau Pass. Okay, this is about everything about Arunachal Pradesh. This is about everything. That means food, habitat, culture. Okay, food, habitat, culture, dressing style, architecture, art, everything. Here this bamboo crafts comes under art. Okay, bamboo crafts comes under art. Clear everyone? This festival also comes under culture. See, Pangsau Pass, that is winter festival. Then coming to Assam, the capital of Assam is Dispur. The official language of Assam people is Assamese. Okay, Bodo, Bengali. These three languages are prevailing in Assam state. Okay, then state animal is Gor. the Assam people calling rhinoceros as boar. Okay, that is their local language. Then coming to state bird, white winged wood duck. It is the duck with white wings. Okay, just like that, white colored duck with some white wings. Then state flower is foxtail orchids. Okay, here also we mentioned orchids. This is red colored flower. Okay, then state tree Hollong. Clear everyone? Hollong. But see, Arunachal Pradesh also Hollong, Assam also Hollong, state tree. Okay, keep it in mind, don't get confused. Then dressing style, the most famous dress Muga silk saree is famous in Assam state. Muga silk saree. Okay, which dress is famous in Assam is Muga silk saree. Then coming to food, Assam is thali and pita. This is different, this is different. This is thali and pita. These two are food items. If you want, if you Google it and see that food item for more clarification. Then coming to festival, Rangoli Bihu, Kati Bihu, Bogali Bihu. Nothing but these three are Bihu festivals only. Just like Sankranti, we are celebrating just like in Sankranti. That is, they are celebrating this Bihu festivals. Okay. Then this is also most important, Ali Ai Ligao festival. Different cultures they are using in Assam. Then coming to dance, Satriya dance is famous in Assam. Satriya. Then Bagrumba Bodo dance. Okay, Bagrumba Bodo dance. Then Ankiya Bhavana performance. This is also one of the dance performance. Okay, just Google it and get clear idea about that. Okay, this is everything about Assam. Food, culture, habitat. Habitat means animals comes under. Okay, habitat means what are the animals comes under that state. Food means what is the food. Culture means what is the dance, what are the festivals. Okay, habitat means the state bird, state animal. Okay, this is state flower. Okay, language, everything we have to know. Then coming to Bihar, capital of Bihar is Patna. The languages spoken in Bihar is Hindi, Maithili, Urdu. Maithili is most important. Okay, that is local. This Hindi and Urdu everywhere prevailing, but Maithili is especially in Bihar only. Okay, then coming to state animal is ox. State bird house sparrow, Pichuka, house sparrow. Then state flower marigold. Okay, marigold is the state flower of Bihar. If you want to see that marigold, you see in marigold biscuit packet. Okay, marigold biscuit packet packing పైన ఉన్నటువంటి ఫ్లవరే marigold అంటాము. ఆ ఫ్లవర్ అన్నది బీహార్ యొక్క స్టేట్ ఫ్లవర్. Then coming to state tree, people tree. You know everybody, people tree is the state tree of Bihar. Then coming to food, litti chokha. This is one of the famous food item present in Bihar. Okay, litti chokha. Festivals, most important festivals in Bihar, so many times asked. Chhat Puja. Okay, Chhat Puja, Sonepur cattle fair. It is they are doing puja for cattle. Okay, then Buddha Jayanti in Bodh Gaya. It is in Bihar. In Bodh Gaya they are celebrating Buddha Jayanti. And Sama Chakaiwa. These are the 4 festivals they are celebrating in Bihar. Which one? Chhat Puja, Sonepur cattle fair, Buddha Jayanti in Bodh Gaya, Sama Chakaiwa. Then coming to painting, most important. Okay, this is 5-star question. Most important, the famous painting in Bihar, Madhuban painting. Madhuban. Otherwise, they will ask the famous Madhuban painting is the. Okay, is origin. Its origin in which state? Bihar. Okay. Then coming to museum, there is a Patna museum, not that much important. Okay, not important. Then coming to caves, there are Barbar caves in Bihar. which have Mauryan structure. Mauryan structure means like this. ఎంట్రన్స్ ఇలా ఉంటుంది మౌర్యన్ స్ట్రక్చర్లో ఇలాగా, జస్ట్ లైక్ ఇఫ్ యూ సీ కొన్ని మాస్క్ కానీ మీరు మాస్క్ చూస్తే ఆల్మోస్ట్ మాస్క్ ఎంట్రీ అంతా ఇలా ఉంటుంది అనమాట. మౌర్యన్ స్ట్రక్చర్, మౌర్యాస్ పరిపాలించేటప్పుడు వాళ్ళ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ అన్ని ఇలా ఉండేవి. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ ఫుడ్, కల్చర్, హ్యాబిటాట్, లాంగ్వేజ్ ఆఫ్ అరుణాచల్ ప్రదేశ్, అస్సాం అండ్ బీహార్. ఓకే, the terms are very different, the terms are difficult also, it's very difficult to memorize and to keep it in mind. That's why we have to revise continuously in order to memorize. Okay, thank you very much, have a nice day, take care.